Microstructural zones of an FSW joint, nugget zone, thermomechanically affected zone and heat affected zone. During the process, the material undergoes intense plastic deformation at elevated temperatures, completely altering the local grain structures. A cross section of the friction stir weld reveals three different microstructural zones: nugget zone, thermomechanically affected zone and heat affected zone. Nugget zone, dynamically recrystallized zone located at the very center where their pin passed through. It experienced the most intense deformation and heat, resulting in a complexity recrystallized microstructure characterized by the fine euchaxed grains that produce excellent mechanical properties.